Yani ukisema pork lovers, yani watu waishaikula poko. Watu washawaikula poko.
Washaikula poko.
Unajua kwanza na mchana wako ya kwanza, ukipewa hivi unaenda unakula poko peke yako. Kula poko peke yako. Kitu yake Mungu yake malailo kitu tamu.
Now you can enjoy. What's up, good people? Hope you're all doing well. Good evening from this side of the world. Mama Jaden's Kitchenette and Lifestyle again. She's about to grace your amazing strengths with an amazing recipe. So on this graceful day, we are about to make pork. Fried pork with just 4 ingredients. And this is 1.5 kg of pork. This is cooking oil. There's salt here. 2 onions and 3 tomatoes. Then if water is an ingredient too, here it is. We need water. So on to the first step. We are going to add just around 200 ml of water. Then we give it time to boil. Yeah, until the water dries up. And 20 minutes later, let's check on our meat. Tuone venye inakaa. The water has drained. Mama Jaden's Kitchenette. Here, don't concentrate anywhere else. So, it depends. We all know pork is oily. So we might need cooking oil or not. And then you just keep stirring your meat until you achieve the golden brown color. All you need is patience. Patience is key for you to achieve the golden brown. So we are only putting 2 tablespoonfuls of cooking oil, and that is it. Then we add salt. As I always say, make things salty to your preference. So this is our preference. That's about a teaspoon of salt, but it's subject to reduce. It can be reduced or increased based on your taste buds. So pork lovers who are watching this, guys, why don't you like this video? Why don't you share? Why don't you comment on this video? Because that's how we get to grow this channel.
Yani ukisema pork lovers, yani watu washaikula poko. Watu washaikula poko.
Washaikula poko.
Unajua kwanza na mchana yako ya kwanza ukipewa hivi unaenda unakula poko peke yako. Kula poko peke yako.
Let me not comment.
Pork lovers, comment, nyinyi mcomment.
So at this point we have achieved our golden brown color. You can even serve at this point, but we choose to add onions and tomatoes. So there our onion goes. We love lots of onions. So at this juncture, our onions are ready. We now add our final ingredient, tomatoes. But again, you can eat at the point where onions are ready. Let's cover this and give time the tomatoes to cook. So let's check on our tomatoes. Our pork is ready.
Leo tukule poko. Leo tunakula. Alright. Let's begin.
If you are new to this channel, kindly make this home. And how do you make this home? Make this home by subscribing onto this channel. To my returning subscribers, karibu sana. I'm forever grateful. Let's keep watching. Let's keep growing together. Let's keep doing the recipes together. And at this point, your comments are welcomed on anything that we need to do, any recipe that we need to try out. Please feel free to comment on this video.